Day, everyone. I hope you are in good mood now. No, I know some of you are uh, really feeling bad or not really excited of the solving the problems, but I hope every one of you is trying hard to understand and to comprehend how to solve this problem. And now, our task is to solve the statement of financial position of Fontanoza Laundry Services. Okay, so I will be presenting to you the two format of the balance sheet or the statement of financial position. So we have account form, so and we have also the report form. We're in account form, so you can find that the assets, no, in the financial position, the assets is through horizontal form or horizontal order, wherein you can find that the assets is positioned in the left side and the liabilities is positioned in the right side, and under the liability is owner's equity. And remember, assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Okay, so assets equals liabilities plus owners, okay, plus owners equity. So in report form, this is a form of a balance sheet or a form of a statement of financial position, wherein you can find out the asset first, no, the assets are shown first and followed by the liabilities or the liability, and we can indicate here or we write here the liabilities, no, so for us to have a uniformity, liabilities. Okay, and under next with liabilities is owner's equity in a vertical order, so naka vertical siya, pabarog, assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. So in the problem, no, my dear students or my dear friends, no, so it depends upon the given requirement or of the professor, or especially indicated in the transaction. So some uh, requirement is they will let you to solve the account form and or the report form. Some of the problem is specific, it is written there, but if the problem if you receive or if your problem is no indicated account form or report form, so automatically you will compute the report form, the vertical order, no, so pananglit walay nakabutang nga requirement nga account form o report form, so automatically follow or use the vertical order, which is the report form. Okay, so here I will be calculating to the format for report form. Okay, so in report form we have this one. Okay, report form. Okay, so under asset, no, so we have the current assets, no, under the current assets we have cash in bank amounting to 743,000. So we will get this data from our trial balance. Okay, then accounts receivable amounting to 35,000. So less estimated and collectible accounts, so put it dash because there is no data yet, no, as again I mentioned to you from the previous discussion that there's no additional information of the problem yet, so therefore we will be putting or put a dash only. Then when we need to sum up, no, so 35,000. Okay, then we have the laundry supplies, no, this is belongs to current assets, and no need to put dash yet because there's a laundry supplies is not included, so therefore we're going to compute first all the current assets before we sum up. Okay, then laundry supplies, the amount is 70,000. Okay, so no, let's go back to the problem. So since there is no data of the estimated uncollectible accounts, so this is correct, no, we're going to total then 35,000. So let's find out the amount of laundry supplies during the unadjusted trial balance. Okay, so unadjusted trial balance of the Fontanoza Laundry Services. Okay, here. Okay, so what's the amount of laundry supplies? So 90,000. Okay, so 90,000. Okay, 90,000. So our total current assets, no? So let's solve the total current assets. Do not forget to use your calculator in calculating, no? So do not forget to bring your calculator because calculator is really important for you to solve quickly. Okay, 743,000 plus 35,000 plus 90,000 equals 868. Okay, let's check, no, if our data is correct, no, but before that let's continue, no, and later on we can identify if our financial position or FS or the balance sheet is balanced or not. So let's check. Okay, so this is non-current assets, which is this is a long-term investment of the business owner. Non-current assets. So under non-current assets, we have property and equipment. Property and equipment. So under property equipment, so we have laundry equipment. Laundry equipment amounting to 150,000. Less accumulated depreciation. So since the laundry machine is diminishing or depreciating the value, so we need to put up accumulated depreciation, but this is no data yet because there's no additional information that I indicate or I included in the transaction, so there's no additional information yet, so we will just put a dash. And then we're going to total the non-current assets. Okay, so do not forget the format, huh? Okay, so no, here uh, total non-current assets. Okay, total non-current assets is okay. Okay, 150,000. Okay, get the comma. Okay, so 150,000. Okay, then since there's no accumulated depreciation amount yet, so still copy the 150,000. Okay, so therefore our total assets, no? So total assets, our total assets. Okay, so we need to sum up our total assets from 868,000 from total current assets plus 150,000. Okay, so the amount is 1,018,000. Okay, 1,018,000. Okay, so that's our total assets. And now let's solve the, okay, so I'm going to, okay, it will be, okay, so, okay, so let's proceed to liabilities. Okay, liabilities and owner's equity. Okay, and owner's equity. So first, we will be computing the liabilities first. Okay, in liabilities, we have current, liabilities. And then that's a 100,000. Okay, why did you put 100,000? No, so you should identify first, no, what accounting title is to be placed in current liabilities and non-current liabilities. So in current liabilities, and that's the debt or obligation that is short term, and in non-current liabilities is that that's an obligation that is 1 year up, no? So katong mga dugay kayo nga mga utang bayarian. Okay, itong mga dinad kong mga loans. Okay, so in our problem, if we're going to refer to the trial balance, okay, so we have the current liabilities, no? If we're going to refer to the trial balance, no, so we have only the current liabilities, notes payable 100,000, accounts payable 30,000, that since this is a short-term payable, accrued advertising, no account or no amount yet, but that's included to current liabilities, this one. Okay, so now let's uh, proceed to financial position and continuation. Okay, so in current liabilities, so we have a, oh, that's one. Our account title is notes payable, no, so that's worth of 100,000. Okay, then we have accounts payable. Okay, accounts payable amounting to 30,000. And we have accounts accrued advertising amounting to no amount yet due to not included, no, wala pag include ang ako ang additional information, so just put dash. Okay, so let's get the total current liabilities. Total current liabilities. Current liabilities amounting to 130,000. 130,000. Okay, so okay, so if there will be long-term payable, no, so if there will be long-term payable, we will just write here the non-current liabilities. Okay, so example, if there will be a problem that is mortgage payable, no, so and so on and so forth. So same procedure, you will be writing the total non-current liabilities, no, same procedure, total current liabilities, and you're going to sum up the total current liabilities and the total non-current liabilities to get the total liabilities, for you to get the uh, total liabilities. For you to get the total liabilities. Okay, so but in this problem, no, so there is no non-current liabilities, no, so therefore I'm going to get this data, no, so kuhaon na to na nga data para dili mo maglibog, no. Okay, but in this situation, no, so I'm going to copy this one para there will be a sample format. Okay, okay, so di ba, this is the report form, and this is just an assumption of non-current liabilities, but in the problem of Fontanoza, there is no non-current liability, so I will be deducting or omitting this one. Okay, erase. So therefore, the total current liabilities is 130,000. So let's get the owner's equity. Okay, owner's equity. So J Fontanoza, comma, capital. Okay, so how much is the capital? Diba? If we're going to look at the statement of changes in equity, the J Fontana's beginning capital is at 850,000. Okay, so 850,000. Okay, 850,000. Then let's compute the uh, total liabilities and owner's equity. Total liabilities and owner's equity. Okay, sum up, no? 130,000 plus 850,000. Okay. Okay, so what's the problem, no? Try to calculate if the problem is balance or not. So try to check if where is the error. Okay. So it is stated here in the computation that that's 980,000. So try to analyze where you get wrong. Okay. So go back to the statement of changes in equity. No, so since if we're going to recall, we have only the two liabilities. So try to go back to the J Fontanaza capital if you get the correct value or correct amount. So go back to the statement of changes in equity. Okay, so it is stated that we should report in the owner's equity the remaining capital of G. Fontanoza. So wherein your beginning capital is the one you choose and you post into the presentation of financial position, wherein uh, in which you're going to uh, get or to record the J Fontanaza capital ending balance, which is that's capital end, no, for us to be informed, capital end or capital ending balance, no. Okay, so 886,000. So proceed to the statement of financial position. 886,000. Let's check. Okay, let's check if it's correct. At 886,000. So try to compute 130,000 plus 886,000. So 1,016. Okay, so let's check if this is correct, no? 1,016, 1,016,000. Okay, try to. Okay, so what happened to the problem, no? So the the financial position is not balanced. Okay, so how did you or check, no? So that's the main problem, no? If your financial position is not balanced, so probably there might be an error, no? So you're going to go back from uh, or you're going to recheck where or what accounting title or what is the amount that is make error to you and or made an error in your presentation. So probably sometimes you're going to uh, you are really hesitant, or you are confused, no? So therefore sometimes you're going to check the general journal, general ledger, trial balance, and statement of comprehensive income. Maybe there will be some errors in computation and the statement of changes in equity. Okay, so try to analyze where we get mistakes. Okay, so why is it the total assets is 1,018,000, and the total liabilities and owner's equity is 1,016,000? Okay. Okay, so let's try to check the data, no? So if the data are correct in transferring to your financial position. So let us start with the current assets. So if you're going to recall, the cash in bank is 743,000. That's correct, no? Accounts receivable 35,000. That's correct. And there's no data in estimated uncollectible accounts. So therefore, automatically, you copy the 35,000 and less to 743,000. So after you compute the laundry supplies 90,000, so you total this one. Okay, then it turns out that the value is correct, 743,000 plus 35,000. Okay, plus 90,000. So 868 is the amount in total current assets. So in non-current assets, laundry equipment 150,000. So I remember, or we remember, right, that it is 150,000 in the uh, trial balance. So no data for accumulated depreciation yet. So just copy 150,000. So total non-current assets is 150,000, and so the total uh, assets is, okay, the total assets is 1,018,000. Okay, so correct, no, if you're going to compute that. Then in current liabilities, notes payable 100,000, accounts payable 30,000. So it is already in the trial balance. Accrued advertising, no data yet. Then total current liabilities is 130,000. Okay, and okay, let us check the J Fontanoza capital, since the capital is really confusing here. Okay, go to the statement of changes in equity, wherein you can find the capital. Let's check the computation if that's correct. 850,000, 850,000. Okay, since we have additional net income 46,000, so let's check if this is correct in the statement of comprehensive income. Oops, have you observed the profit or net income? 80 uh 80,000 laundry income less the operating expenses. 10,000 plus 5,000 15,000 plus 12,000 20 27,000 plus 4,000 31 plus 1,000 32,000. And if you're going to compute that one, 80,000 minus 32,000, so 48,000. Okay, so remember, now put that into your mind, that our profit or net income in the statement of comprehensive income of Fontanoza Laundry Services is 48,000. Okay, so I'm gonna put the peso sign. Okay, 48,000. Okay, so let's check if the additional investment is 48,000. Oops. Okay, so we already found out that our net income is incorrect, no? So when we recorded, so instead of 46, it should be 48,000. So you should indicate here the 48,000. Okay, so sum up again the beginning capital of J. Fontanoza 850,000. So plus 48,000 plus 48,000. So it is 898,000. Okay, less withdrawal of 10,000. So 898,000 minus 10,000. So 888,000. Okay, let's check. My gosh, so real. 888,000 pesos is our income. No. The ending capital balance of J. Fontanoza. Oh my gosh, no. Let's check. 888. Okay, so try to write here 888,000. Okay, so this is a new computation of J. Fontanoza uh, capital. Okay, let's compute, no? So for us to determine the balances, no, remember that assets is equals to liabilities and owner's equity. Liabilities plus owner's equity. So we need to add the liabilities and owner's equity amount so that we can come up with balance in assets and liabilities plus owner's equity. Liabilities plus owner's equity. So 130,000 plus 888,000. Okay. So our total is 1,018,000. So let's try to check if our amount in total assets is the same or balanced with total liabilities and owner's equity. Okay? Okay, that's great, no? So 1,018,000 is our total assets, no? And make it double line since this is already a balance, no? Okay, so this is hard for me to draw a double line here in to go this one here in the Google Forms. Okay, so this is double line supposed to be 1,018,000 and this is double yen. Okay, so double line in the total liabilities and owner's equity. So okay, so it is balanced already, no? So nindot kayo sa pamati kung makabalance ta. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so this is I cannot double line here, but of course I will, instead of double line, I will be highlighting yellow for you to determine that this is the assets and the liabilities plus owner's equity is balance. Okay, so that's the format, no, of the report form of presenting the statement of financial position. But always remember that do not forget the heading here. No, I almost forgot the heading, no? So Fontanoza Laundry Services statement of financial position as of March 31, 2024. Okay, so here's the format. Okay, wala na maigo. Okay, so I need to lessen the sizes. Okay. Okay, Fontanoza, laundry services. Okay, so here's the following format. I need to paste this one here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is a report form, but if I will let you to make a account form, so here's the sample quotation. Okay, so in assets, you will just copy this one. Current and then current assets and total assets. But, okay. So this is the format, no? Okay. Okay, this is the format of the horizontal, no? And the liabilities plus owner's equity. Okay. Okay, assets. Then here is liabilities. Okay. Then current liabilities. Okay, current liabilities. So we have notes payable. So we have accounts payable, accounts payable, notes payable amounting to 100,000, accounts payable 30,000, okay, 30,000, and they accrued advertising, okay, so no amount yet, no data yet. Then total current liabilities. Okay. Okay, total current liabilities. 130,000. Okay, so then our owner's equity, owners owner's equity. So we have J. Fontanoza, Fontanoza, J. Fontanoza Capital. Okay, so how much is the J. Fontanoza Capital? So we have 888,800. Okay, 888,000. Okay, so that's our J. Fontanoza Capital. Then our total liabilities and owner's equity. Okay. Okay. So total liabilities, owner's equity. And total liabilities and owner's equity amounting to 1 million 1,018,000. No, so that's our okay, so that's our total liabilities and owner's equity. And this is it should be double line, no? So for us to determine that this is balance, so and I will be marking double line, highlight yellow, because I cannot double line this one because I'm using the Google Forms. Okay, so this is the format of this is the account form of the Fontanoza Laundry Services Statement of Financial Position as of March 31, 2024. So if we are going to present the financial position, since this is the summary of all your reports, so you need to indicate this terminology as of March 31, 2024, because this transaction is only for a 1 month transaction in March, within March, until March 1, from March 1 until last day of the month, or until 31. So here, so these are the assets. Total assets is 1,018,000, and the liabilities, total liabilities 130,000. Okay, 130,000 plus 888,000. No, the total liabilities and owner's equity is 1,018,000. 100,000. Okay, so are you correct? No? So I hope everyone is learning, and I am presented to you the account form and the report form. No? So I hope that uh, you learned a lot from my discussion. No, I hope every one of you follow the format and how we solve this problem, and whatever uh, the requirement or the rules and regulations that I implemented, and how to record or how to properly uh, write the accounting titles and the amounts. So you should be careful, because I will be recording or checking that one by one. Okay, if you are error in that certain problem, especially in your, if you're going to write the data, so if that's incorrect, so of course that's wrong automatically. So you need to be consistent, and you need to present to me clearly, and as much as possible no erasure, for us to determine that, yeah, you really understand. No, and uh, so here, no, so the here is the following report form. So this is vertical. No, I hope you understand, and the account form is horizontal form. Okay, so same uh, balance. Okay, so I think that's all for the presentation of the statement of financial position or the balance sheet. So I hope you learned a lot, no? And if there are some question, clarification, so you will just comment, no? And feel free to comment or ask question under the comment section. Okay? So I think that's all for today. Okay, so thank you so much, and have a great day, everyone.